dear students. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we will be discussing two new chapters of general knowledge. The first one is chapter number 37, Branches of Science, page number 43. Science, we know every day, in every moment, research is going on in the field of science, and there are quite a few fields you can find in the main field of science. Quite a few sectors, different researches on different topics, and those sectors do have different names. See, a systematic knowledge of the physical. Before discussing this thing, I have told you for 1,000 times, I guess, that submit the worksheets. When I check the submission in GK, it makes me shocked. More than 50% students, you never ever submit the worksheet, especially in GK. I take care of your English 1 also. The students who are very careful about English 1, some of them, they are totally careless about the GK worksheet submission. I don't know why. You have the last chance before half yearly examination. You have got the August month in your hand to rectify this mistake. Otherwise, don't tell me after the examination that, ma'am, why did I get this type of marks? Why has my marks been deducted? Don't tell me. I have told you 1,000 times, the submission of worksheet is really important, as well as your performance in the worksheet. Okay. Branches of science, a systematic knowledge of the physical or material world gained through observation and experimentation is science. Science is a wide subject, as I just said, and involves different terms. So we have to match the following things. The study of plants. It will go with option number D, botany. You may open the study material. This chapter has been discussed in the study material also. Nothing the extra information, I will not say that that is very much important, but you can have some knowledge, okay, if you go through the study material. Botany. Botany is a branch of biological science that deals with the study of plants, including their structure, properties, and biochemical processes. Botany also includes plant classification and the study of plant diseases and of interactions with the environment. The principles and findings of botany have provided the base for such applied sciences as agriculture, horticulture, and forestry. These departments have been, they got much help from botany, this field of science. Now, the next one, the study of animals. It will go with option number E, zoology. Zoology is a branch of biological science that studies the members of the animal kingdom and animal life in general. Zoology includes inquiry into animal populations, entire faunas, and the relationships of animals to each other, to plants, and to the non-living environment. It emphasizes the structural and functional unity of life rather than its diversity. The diversity is important, but the main emphasis is laid on the structural and functional unity of animal life. Okay, the body structures, the relationship between nature and animals, these things. The study of universe beyond Earth's atmosphere, it will go with option number F, astronomy. We are really acquainted with this term. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. It includes a thorough analytical research of celestial bodies, like celestial bodies means, which are the celestial bodies? Stars, asteroids, planets, galaxies, in order to trace their origin and revolution. Now to the next one. The study of energy and matter, physics. Okay, option number A, physics. Physics is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter, energy, motion, in-depth analysis of how these natural properties interact with each other, with other objects and with other observable universe. So this is from about physics, that is important, that is written in your book, that it is the branch of science that discusses of energy and matter. Next one, the study related to composition. Option number J, chemistry. Chemistry, the science deals with the properties, composition and structure of substances defined as elements and compounds, the transformations they undergo and the energy that is released or absorbed during these transformations. In chemistry we learn these things, okay, if we mix this chemical property with that one, then what happens? These things are learned in chemistry. Next one, number 6, the study of weather and atmosphere. Option number H, meteorology. Meteorology is the study of science dealing with the atmosphere and its phenomena, including both weather and climate. Meteorology studies observable weather events which are bound by variables that exist in Earth's atmosphere. These variables are temperature, pressure, water vapor and the gradients and interactions of each variable and how they change gradually in time. Okay, so in meteorology we study about weather and atmosphere. In this chapter, the things that is provided in your book itself, those things are important. I just provided the study material so that the topic becomes a little bit more interesting. The study related to, wait a second. The study related to treatment and diagnosis. Option number G, medicine. Medicine is the study and practice of science concerned with the maintenance of health and the prevention, alleviation or cure of disease. We all know about this. We all have the basic idea about this branch. It deals with diagnosis, prognosis, prevention and treatment of every kind of ailments leading to physical and mental well-being. Next one, the study of the structure of body. Anatomy, option number C. Okay, anatomy, a branch of biological sciences, is a study which deals with identification and description of the body structure of living beings. Any living being. Now next one, the study of snow. B. Okay, option number B, snow hydrology. Snow hydrology is the study of snow contributions to the hydrologic cycle, particularly snow melt, meltwater movement within the snowpack and meltwater contributions to surface runoff. If it becomes too complex for you to understand, these are the terms that are not very much common. You know, in 6th standard I just provided the information. If it becomes too complex, you must remember the branch of science and with which thing it deals with. Okay, that must be remembered and that is provided in your book itself. In this particular chapter I am talking about, but other chapters, this study material is a little bit tough, I guess, for you. But about other chapters, go through the study materials properly. Okay, those are not complex at all. Now number 10, the study of insects. Option number I, entomology. This is interesting. I found this quite interesting. Study of insects. Entomology, branch of zoology. Obviously insect, creature, not animal but kind of creature. Entomology, branch of zoology, dealing with the scientific study of insects, their behavior, the behavior of insects. Can you imagine they study these things? Their behavior and their interactions with other organisms. Entomology includes morphology, physiology, behavior, genetics, biomechanics, taxonomy, ecology, etc. of insects. Okay, these things of insects are being discussed, are discussed in this branch of science. Okay, and fact has been mentioned here. An egg looks like a crazy jellyfish underwater. Okay, funny one. And another thing I want to mention before going to another chapter, probably in the next week I am going to provide a worksheet that is really important. I am telling this again, you have got only the month of August in your hands to rectify the previous mistakes of not submitting the worksheet. If you want to, compensate that thing, you need to submit almost all the worksheets that will be provided in this month. And in the next worksheet, the chapter that will be discussed on the next day, that will be included. One chapter will be discussed. I have not decided which chapter. That chapter will be included. Places to visit will be included. Branches of science and animal adaptations. Animal adaptations, branches of science, places to visit. Page number 21, not page number, lesson number 21. And the fourth one will be the chapter that I will discuss on the next day, and I will provide the worksheet on next Thursday, and you will get time. You need to submit the worksheet by next Saturday. By next Saturday you need to submit that worksheet. It will be provided on Thursday, next Thursday, and you need to submit that by next Saturday. Which are the chapters that will be included in that worksheet? Chapter number. Okay, I am telling you the chapter numbers. Chapter number 1, animal adaptations. Chapter number 37, branches of science. Chapter number 21, places to visit, and the chapter that will be discussed on that particular day or next Thursday. Now, science and medicine, I have not provided any extra thing about this particular chapter in the study material. Just listen to this video. Watch the video. Science and medicine are interrelated terms. Science has developed medicine, and medicine has given birth to science. Medicine has developed different medical instruments to diagnose the illness in today's world. True, without medical instruments, how can we diagnose our illness or the problems we have inside our body? Okay. Science becomes medicine when it comes to treatment. Obviously, those are scientific inventions. Without science, it would not have been possible to, discover medicines or medical instruments. A tube inserted into a vein to insert fluids. Cannula. Okay, cannula. Number 2, an instrument that supplies gases to human body. Gas cylinder. Machine that produces aerosols of drugs and sends it to respiratory system. Nebulizer. The name of that medical instrument is nebulizer. Now number 4, an instrument to record body temperature. We all know this. Thermometer. A device used to measure weight, weighing scale. An instrument used to check blood pressure. This also I think most of you already know. Sphygmomanometer. Okay, sphygmomanometer. The next thing was something new for me at least. A machine used to examine the eyes. Ophthalmoscope. Okay, ophthalmoscope. Machine used by doctors to check ear infections. Otoscope. An optical instrument which is used to see deep inside the body. Endoscope. A machine which acts like an artificial kidney. Dialysis machine. Okay, dialysis machine. When the doctors find any patient whose kidney has been damaged, they are treated with this dialysis machine. Okay. Um, Another thing, probably, okay, most probably I am going to provide a project I am talking about general knowledge. Okay, a project topic will be provided most probably, and you will get the notice if I do so. So be prepared. Okay, don't be shocked that why project in GK, because you have taken the things for granted. That is not expected, and that should not be done. Go through the whole video, watch the whole video, go through the chapters. Those are the chapters from which you come to know a lot of things which are used in medical field, the names of branches of science, about what do they discuss, these things. Okay, so next day don't forget to submit the worksheet. Okay, for me it is really important, and the performance as well as the submission, both are important.